welcome back to the channel. Today on the hit list we got to grind that stump after he gets cutting that tree down, and we got several in the back we got to do. There's a stump right there, a small one. There's another small stump. There's a small stump, and then these larger stumps like that one and that one, and here's one right behind his little loader. These have been cut down for a while, so they should grind out real easy. Now this one right here has got a lot of roots, and it's going to be kind of tough on this one. But I think once I grind one in, he's going to take his little mini excavator or whatever, or his mini skid, and we're going to lift this up. So I'm going to try to grind as close as I can to the fence. But the other thing is, we had rain yesterday, and this backyard is kind of wet. I mean, it didn't rain all day, but you can tell it's kind of soggy, so I got to be careful about that. And he's going to drop a couple of them limbs right there, and then he's going to drop that whole tree. He's got enough room right here. Real quick, this one's also a cedar stump. Right here, that one looks like it's going to be rotted also, so hopefully this one will chew up real quick. That grounded out really super fast. So let's start on this one right here. lot of roots right here, boys. All right, guys, he's fixing to get ready to make a face cut on it to drop this tree. It's a pretty good sized pine right here. It's fat and short. Perfect. All right, they'll cut that up, make a stump cut for me, and I'll grind away on it. Just set that off and now I'm gonna grind it. They're getting a brand new shop built for his cars. That's why they're removing this tree. All right, guys, he's getting that cleared out. He got a lot done. I got to change some leads on the stump grinder. I've said it in the past videos, these M18s are the best on the Milwaukee. And I run that 1100 series on the green teeth, by the way. Alright guys, I got that grounded out. I'm gonna see if I can get him to come over here with his grapple bucket and move some of this mulch around for me and make sure I didn't miss anything, because they're putting in the garage and you know, I don't know if he's gonna pour concrete from right there all the way over to there or what, but just in case I missed something, at least I'll be here and then I can grind and go on. But alright guys, I'm fixing to load up the stump grinder, and looks like this is leveled out, so it should be good to go. And that's it for the day. So if you like the channel, hit the like button and the subscribe button, and I'll see you on the next one.